Good morning, patchworkers, quilters and fellow fabric lovers. Here we are again with another Quiltopia update. And I'm here with Robyn from Brotherglen Needlecraft. How are you this morning?
I'm fine.
That's good, that's
Pretty
good.
Cold this morning,
It is a bit chilly here this morning, isn't it? Yes. Now guys, don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll get all the updates for Quiltopia. Now Robyn, whereabouts are you from?
Well, we're from down on the coast.
Yes.
Laurelton.
Yes.
Our address is Kew, but we
That's
are
okay.
Laurelton.
Yes.
And I work from home.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
So you're big on social media as well with your Facebooks or you've got a website?
I don't have a website.
No.
And I'm not that big on social media.
That's
either.
okay. It's all right.
It scares me worse than
It can get a bit scary, can't it? Yes, yes, definitely. And what do you specialise in? What sort of things do you have?
Well, patchwork,
Yes.
patterns, do my own patterns.
Oh,
and
wonderful. You have your own
I sell-
patterns. Yeah?
Well,
Yeah? That's fantastic. Yep.
I sell all sorts of little trinkety things to go with it.
Yes,
And
yes.
I work out of the garage at home, which is called a studio, not a garage.
No, that's right. Yes, yes.
Car
That's
shares it though. But,
that's all
in and
right.
out.
In and out, definitely. Now you're going to be with us at Quiltopia.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, looking forward to that.
It's going to be a fantastic weekend. We've got the 3rd to 6th of October, guys. Don't forget that. Rose Hill Event Centre down there for Quiltopia. Now, there is the marketplace, which is behind everything, because there's all tutors and everything coming through. But we're going to be in the marketplace. So we're going to have lots of different specials and everything happening.
Yeah,
Yeah,
there'll be some.
There'll be some specials. There'll be some new things, maybe
Surprises.
little surprises. We love the surprises, definitely. Yes, yes. So, Robyn, you're going to be there. I'm going to be there. There's going to be lots of people at the marketplace. So don't forget, go onto the website for Quiltopia, and you can actually book your tickets now to actually attend. It is a long weekend, so with the long weekend, you can actually make it a nice girly weekend if they want to. Yes, definitely, because we're going to be working hard to bring you all these great, fantastic things at Quiltopia. All right, so thank you, Robyn, for joining me today.
Thank you.
That's all right. Now, guys, don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Watch those old ones as they come up on the side at the end of the video. And happy sewing.